Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to change your PayPal name. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you've not already. And once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. And the main page in the upper right corner, you can get started logging into your account. So we need to log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can go and create a new one. And once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. So this is going to be our main page where we can take a look at all the info regarding our account, such as our PayPal balance. We have our recent activity right here. We can send money, request money, and so on. And now we can get started. So guys, how can you change your name? It's very easy. It only takes you a couple of clicks. Basically, to find the option for changing your name is going to be findable right here in the settings tab. You can click this gear icon in the upper right corner. This is going to open up your account settings. So you're going to have your account settings, your security settings, data and privacy settings, and so on. All the setting options that you can use for managing your account. And your name changes is going to be available right here in your account option. So from the account option, you can take a look at here. You can click on it and it's going to open up all your account info, such as your account name, the password you're using, and so on. Basically all the info that you're using for your account. And from there you can get started changing your name, but you're going to have to provide some kind of document that's going to show your new name. So that's going to be changeable in PayPal. You cannot just change it without providing a document as proof, but that's how you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.